Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 4 Integers Exercise 4. Yes, exercise 4, question number 1. Represent the following number on the number line and write the results. So first of all, we can draw a number line. This one is a number line, and in this you can write starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, and -4. Now starting from 0. So first question, that one is question +2 -4. So you can go +2 like this. It is your +2. You can write here +2. And now second is -4. So -4 is back side. So 1, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go like this. That is -4. So result is +2 -4 is equal to -2. That is your answer. Now come to the second part, this one, -3 + 5. How can do -3 + 5? First of all, you can draw a line. That is 0, -1, -2, -3, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now come to the first -3. That one is -3. So -3 is back side. जीरो के back side ले चलेंगे. So -3, that is go here. It is -3. Now come to the +5. So you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can go like this, 5. It is your +5. So your result is 2. This is your result. So -3 + 5 is equal to 2. That is your result and it's your answer. Come to the third question. This is your third question. -6 and +-3. So you can draw like this. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. So first of all, -6. That one is -6. So minus is that is the -6. You can draw this one. It is your -6. And now +-3. What happened in -3? You can count 1, 2, 3. लेफ्ट में ही लेना है आपको. So that is your -3. So result is -9. That is your result. So you can write here -9 as your answer. Now come to the fourth part. This is your fourth part. So first of all you can draw a line. So you can put the number. It is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So first of all the sixth one, that is the 6. So you can go plus 6, that is here. So you can write this one, that is our plus 6. Now come to the plus 4. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can go this type, that is the plus 4. Now come to the minus 2, plus minus 2. So minus 2 come back, so 1, 2. So that is minus 2. You can write minus 2. So result is 8. So you can write result as 8. That is your answer. Similarly, you can do the sixth part. For sixth part, you can draw a line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all is 0. So 0 is here. We can't draw any line. So plus 3. So you can count 3. So 1, 2, 3. That is your result. It's your 0 and it is your plus 3. So that answer is 3. Now these questions are for your homework. Question number 5 and 7 and 8. These 3 questions is for your homework, so you can do at home. Come to the question number 2. Find the sum. This one is find the sum. So first of all you can write like this first question. So 1, 5, 3, 1 and minus, that is 5, 0, 3. So 1 carry taken from the left hand side, so it becomes 11. 11 minus 3, that is 8. And here is 2. 5 minus 0, that is 0, and 1 is as it is. So that is your answer. Now come to the second part. This one is minus 55 and minus 211. So you can write first minus 55 and minus 211. So 211. Both have same sign, so you can add. It is 6, 6 and 2. That is your answer. So you can write very well. Now you can do the homework, this and this. It is your homework. Second, third and fourth is for your homework. So you can do at home. Now come to the question number 3. It is fill in the blanks with this suitable statement. the first question. It is 8 plus minus 3, so that is 5, and it is minus 3 plus 8, so that is also 5. So both are same, so you can put here equal to sign. Now come to the second part of this question. Minus 28 and plus 25. So it becomes minus 3, and on the right hand side here is minus 25 and plus 28. So it becomes 3. That is greater number and it's your less number. So the sign is less than. So you can put like this sign. Now come to the third part. This one is your third part. Minus 4 plus 0, it becomes minus 4. And here is 4 plus 0, that is 4. So it is larger number and it is your less number. So you can put here less than like this. Now come to the fourth part. This one is fourth part. It is 0 plus 9. Left hand side is 0 plus 9, that becomes 9. And 9 plus 0, so it is also a 9. So you can put equal to sign. Both are equal. Fifth and 7, that is for your homework. You can do at home. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question, find the product of the following. This is your fourth question, find the product of the following. So first part is plus 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3, that is 6 into 5, and 6 into 5, that is 30. So it is your answer. Come to the second part, that is second part. It is 3 into minus 5 into minus 6. So what will be happen? First of all, 3 into minus 5, that is minus 15. And into minus 6, so minus minus plus, so 15 6 jump, it is 90. So that is your answer. You can do very well. Come to the third question. It is like this, your third question. So that is minus 4 into 3 into minus 2. So minus 4 and 3, that is the minus 12 into minus 2. Now negative multiply to becomes positive, so it becomes plus, and 12 to the 24. That is your answer. Now come to the fourth part of this question. It is minus 6 into minus 4 into 1. So it is minus minus, it is 6 4 ja plus 6 4 ja 24 into 1. So it becomes 24. That is answer. Now fifth part and 7, that is for your homework. So you can do at home. That is homework. Now come to the fifth question. Fifth question, fill in the blanks with the symbol greater than, equal to or less than. इस symbols को fill up करना है in this exercise. So how How can fill this first part? First part is 2 into 5, that is 10, and here is minus 3 into 5, that is minus 15. That means minus 15 is less numbers and it is your greater, so you can put here greater than. Now come to the second part. It is 2 minus 4 and minus 3. 2 into minus 4 into minus 3. What will be happen? 2 4 ja minus 8 into minus 3. So it becomes plus 24. And here is the right hand side. It is also 8 3 ja 8 3 ja 8 into 3, that is 20. So both are equal. So you can put here equal to sign. Now come to the third part. It is 4 into minus 3 into minus 1. So here is minus 12 into minus 1. So it becomes plus 12. And the right hand side, there is 28, that is the less number, so that is the greater number, so you can put less than. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question, minus 8 into minus 5. So minus 8 into minus 5, it becomes plus 40. And here is 2 into 20, so that becomes plus 40. So both are equal, so you can put here equal to sign. Now come to the fifth part of this question. Fifth part is here. So 2 into minus 3 into 0. So what will happen? Minus 6 into 0, that becomes 0. And the right hand side, this one, 0 into minus 8, that is 0. So both are equal, so you can put here equal to sign. Now 6 and 7 part for your homework, you can do at home. Come to the sixth question. That is your sixth question. The sum of two integers is 69. If one of them is 56, find the other integers. How can find the other integer? That means this is the sum 69 में से आपको 56 माइनस करना है. How can find the other integer? So you can write first other integer. Other integers. How can find? That is equal to, it is 69 and minus 56. So how can 9 minus 6, that is 3, and 6 minus 5, that is 1. So that is your answer. You can write other integer is 30. Now come to the question number 7, that is your 7th question. The sum of two integers 85. One of them is minus 15. Find the other integers. Other integer को find करना है. So you can write here other integer. Other integer. Other integers equal to, first of all, 85 minus 15. So what will be happen? 85 plus 15, and that is 100. and 100 is your answer. Now come to the 8th question. How can divide the first will? First one is, it is 30 divided by 2. So how can, so 30 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 15 ja. So it is your 15 and that is the quotient and that is your answer. Now come to the second part. 40 divided by minus 4. How can divide? First of all 40 and here is minus 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 10 ja. So it becomes minus of 10. So that is the quotient. You can see it is your answer. Come to the third part. It is minus 48 and divided by 12. So that is minus 48 and divided by 12. So 12 1 ja 12 and 12 4 ja 48. So you can write minus 4 as a quotient and that is your answer. Now come to the fourth question. That is your fourth question. And that is your 24 divided by 0. So it is 24 upon 0. Whenever any digit divided by 0, so it becomes infinite. So you can write infinite. That is your answer. Now fifth and sixth part, it is for your homework. Homework है ये करना है इनको घर पे. Now come to the ninth one. Ninth one is a fill in the blanks once again, which is shown on your screen. So you can do first one. Minus 80 divided by, here is minus 20. So you can multiply any number to get 80. So how can you can multiply by 4, so you get minus 80. So here is 4 times. So you can fill here 4. Similarly, in second part, that is 46 divided by, here is minus 23. First of all, you can divide by minus 2. So it becomes plus 46, which is here. So you can put minus 2. Here is minus 2. That is your answer. Now come to the third part. Third is this minus 24. Minus 24 divided by, it is 24. So 24 third part minus 24 divided by, and we get 24, and that is positive. So here is minus 1. So you can put here minus 1. Similarly, you can put here minus 12. Now come to the 10th question. Find the additive inverse of the following. Additive inverse. So those number which when we adding we get 0, that is additive inverse. So first one is 17. So additive inverse, you can write like this. Seventeen is minus 17, because 17 plus minus 17, it becomes 0. So your answer is 17 minus with minus sign. That is your answer. come to the 23 minus 23. So additive inverse of minus 23 is plus 23, because minus 23 and plus 23 becomes 0. So that is your answer. Similarly, third part and fourth part for your homework you can do at home. Now come to the 11, that is the fill in the blanks. Question number 11, fill in the blanks. Now how can fulfill this one? Now minus 18 plus, that is 18. You can fill here 18. Here is second question, you can fill minus 26. So minus 26 plus 20, that becomes 0. 161, so you can say minus 161. So it becomes 0. It is plus 79. So these are the answers. So friends, this exercise we ended, and now you can do all the homework and complete to the work in your notebook.